Thalia. Come here. I thought we were playing cards. You brought me another card?
Yeah!
Yeah! This station is gold. If you have XM radio in your car, first of all, lucky you. Because that is an extra expense if you're an extra person. I was fortunate. I was grandfathered into my plan after I bought my car, so it came with it. This station, it's Pop 2K, is very, very good if you're of my age group. Because it plays all of the bangers from like high school and like a little bit of college. And I'm just so down. I'm on the way to the doctor this morning. Fortunately, Daniel's work provided for like a little bit of gap this morning so he can comfortably watch Tolly and like they can have it all handled there. I'm just going to like a routine checkup with a new doctor. We needed to have a new doctor that was closer to the house we moved to. We had one when we lived over like across town, but now that we moved to this side of town, I had to find a new doctor. So we'll see how this experience goes. I've been fasting since 9 p.m. Not that that's that big of a deal because like I went to sleep. So this morning I brushed my teeth and I was like, oh, am I allowed to do this? But of course, I'm doing that on behalf of everyone. Don't go out in public and not brush your teeth. That's not fair. I'm just thinking about this royal wedding. I'm like super psyched about it, but I don't really feel like I need to be waking up early. Like, I think anything that happens that's major, someone will like put it up on Facebook or tweet it. So I just don't feel like that's a necessary thing. But we'll see. If I already wake up that early because of Tally, guess what? I may be watching the royal wedding live. Parking decks are always so sketchy to me. I'm always like scared because I've seen all these like terrifying missing people stories. So I'm like, this is when it's gonna happen. In broad daylight at 9 a.m. It's kind of a nice day, like temperature wise, but it's been so like ugly lately. Do you want to hear the most interesting thing in the world? So I went to the doctor and I figured like maybe I was experiencing high blood pressure because I had it when I was pregnant. And lo and behold, my blood pressure is perfect. So I'm like, okay, well, I guess it's good news, but I'm kind of like, well, then what's wrong with me? Why do I feel like dizzy and stuff? And my doctor is like a genius. She looks at my ear. She's like, your ears have like a lot of like fluid. She's like, you probably have allergies. I was like, oh my God, would that explain like all of the things I've been feeling? And she's like, 100%. So who knew? I just have allergies, you guys. I'm normal. Welcome to Cooking with Mr. Milana.
That's right. I'm doing the cooking for once.
What are we having?
Lomo Saltado.
Lomo Saltado. What type of food is that?
Peruvian.
Dead flowers. Oh my God, I need to change these. It's
Peruvian food.
Peruvian.
Which I am not.
Neither am I. So we're making Peruvian food. If
you guys haven't had Peruvian food, it's like the most amazing type of food ever. It's a mixture of like South American steak and like Asian influence with like rices and noodles and things like that. It's really good. You should try it.
It's very simple and delicious. This essentially is just glorified steak with French fries.
Yep. So, hi. Oh my God, is this the angle you always use? That's cool.
Hey everyone. That's what I do for my cutting.
Oh. Well, I don't have a cutting board that I put meat on right now.
Can you get me a knife?
No.
Please?
I'm gonna do this. Anyway, the reason I'm using this is because our other cutting board, it's in the dishwasher. finished product. How's it look? Looks right. Now this is the extra juice. So in case you guys are wondering why this is so massive, we
always make double.
double. We made double portions. We made double the meat, double the tomatoes, double the onions, double the juice, because we will use this tomorrow for lunch. So got a little extra juice. If you like, save it. Don't waste it. It's delicious. So the one thing we are missing is a spice or a pepper called ají. Traditional Peruvian pepper. It gives it like an extra zing. So if you can find it, use it. If not, it's still good. It's still like a good steak dish. And then usually you can also serve it with a side of rice.
And papa huancaína.
And papa huancaína. All the Peruvian food in the world. Honestly, go try Peruvian food if you haven't before. It's delicious. But yeah, usually a side of rice, and the rice soaks up all the juice as well, as do the fries. You can choose not to put the juice over the fries, but you'd be making a mistake.